Today I am reviewing HP 15.6-inch FHD laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a reliable, high-performance laptop for home, business, or school use, the HP 15.6-inch FHD laptop is an exceptional option for 2025. This laptop is designed to boost productivity, handle multitasking, and deliver a smooth, responsive experience for everyday computing. Starting with the processor, this HP laptop is powered by the Intel N100 processor, featuring 4 cores and 4 threads and a turbo boost of up to 3.4 GHz. This means it can handle multiple applications at once, from productivity software like Microsoft Office to web browsing and video conferencing, without noticeable lag. While it might be considered an entry to mid-level processor, paired with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, this machine can manage more demanding tasks efficiently. You'll notice significantly smoother performance than most laptops with only 8 or 16 GB of memory, making it ideal for professionals, students, and power users who like to keep multiple tabs and applications open simultaneously. Speaking of memory, the 32 GB DDR4 RAM is paired with a 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD, ensuring lightning-fast boot times, quick file transfers, and near-instant application launches. The 1TB SSD gives you plenty of storage for documents, presentations, videos, and large media files, making this laptop great for students who need space for projects or professionals who work with heavy files. You'll also appreciate how responsive the system feels when launching software or multitasking between different applications. The display is a 15.6-inch Full HD screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. It features a non-touch anti-glare panel and thin bezels, providing a comfortable viewing area for movies, video calls, or editing documents. While it's not a touchscreen, the screen's clarity and color reproduction are excellent for everyday productivity and entertainment. Whether you're streaming videos or working on spreadsheets, the visuals are crisp and comfortable for long periods. When it comes to connectivity, the HP 15.6-inch laptop is up to date with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast and stable wireless connections. This is a huge advantage for remote learning, online meetings, or streaming content. The laptop also comes with a variety of ports including USB Type-C, USB Type-A, HDMI, headphone/microphone combo, and an AC smart pin, making it easy to connect external monitors, peripherals, or charging devices. One feature that enhances the typing experience is the full-size keyboard with a numeric keypad. It is soft, responsive, and perfect for extended typing sessions, whether you are crunching numbers, writing reports, or working on assignments. Combined with HD audio, the laptop is also suitable for casual media consumption and online meetings. In terms of portability, the HP 15.6-inch laptop weighs only 3.64 pounds and is just 0.73 inches thin, making it easy to carry around between home, office, or school. The sleek natural silver design adds a professional and modern look, blending style and functionality. Overall, the HP 15.6-inch FHD laptop is a powerful, well-rounded machine for anyone who needs speed, efficiency, and reliability in a laptop. Its combination of Intel N100 processor, 32 GB DDR4 RAM, 1TB SSD, FHD display, Wi-Fi 6E, and multiple ports makes it ideal for students, business professionals, and anyone looking for a dependable all-purpose laptop. With Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, it provides a secure, modern, and intuitive operating system right out of the box. If you want a laptop that's ready for heavy multitasking, fast storage, smooth connectivity, and everyday productivity while maintaining portability and style, the HP 15.6-inch FHD laptop is definitely a top contender in 2025.